Have a blessed day, everybody, all around the world. First of all, let me show you this beautiful flowers. Thank you, Jesus. I want to say first of all, thank you, Jesus. Well, we are enjoying His creation here because it is amazing. Every time that I have an opportunity to enjoy the flowers, it's amazing. It's so wonderful. And I think this is lavender. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. I just enjoy all type of flowers here. And I would like, you know what? I would like to read to you a little bit. Hi, morning. Here it says in the Bible, somebody's walking here, decides to walk here. Okay. All right. Let me show you something here. In Deuteronomy 18, here it says perfectly that if you are a Christian, then you know that celebrating Halloween is against God. And like it says here, I'll show you here. When you come into the land which the Lord your God is giving you, you shall not learn to follow the abominations of those nations. And all this. So you guys, you can read it here. And it's not my word, it's Jesus' word.